So how are you labeling the leg that's 5 millimeters shorter than the longer leg?
X minus 1.
Sounds good. So minus for shorter. And then how about the hypotenuse? Do we want to show it's 5 longer than the longer leg? It's referring to that same longer leg, so it should be another X in there. 5 millimeters longer. Longer sounds like adding. X plus 5 would be great. Any questions I can answer for you about that part? So out of those three, which one has to go over here by itself?
X plus 5.
Yeah. And these two can go in any order. We'll do that squaring and get a crazy long line for a minute. Then we'll make it equal 0, so we'll move all of that stuff on the right-hand side over to the left. Can you let me know what you get? What does it look like after you move it all over and set it equal to 0?
I got x squared minus 20x.
That sounds great. Because we're going to subtract that. And that. And that. Now, a whole ton of stuff cancels out. All that's left is the x squared here and the 2 minus 10x's. Kind of tempting to even cancel the 10s, isn't it? But they're both negative, so they're not going to cancel. And it turns out this one is not trial and error. Do you see what kind of factoring we could do on it? The two terms have a little something in common. What can we factor out of there? We can factor out as x, yeah. Did you say 5? Let's see, x squared over x leaves an x, and 20x over x leaves a minus 20. So then we're going to break our factors apart and set each one equal to 0. Looks like two possible solutions, x equals 0, x equals 20. Do you know which one we're going to throw out and why?
0.
0, yeah.
You can't have anything shorter than 0 if it doesn't make sense.
That's right. A negative doesn't make sense and a 0 doesn't make sense. So we're just going to stick with the 20 for this application and use that to answer our 3 questions. So let's see, we call that x, we call that x minus 5, call that x plus 5.
We've got 20, 15, and 25.
Nice. And unit looks like it's millimeters. And those are easy to check. If we plug them into the Pythagorean theorem, the 25 should go on the side by itself because it's biggest. And 20 and 15 go on the other side. Looks like both sides end up being 625. So checks out.